Exercise 5.3, we asked to find the given if the sum of the first n terms of AP is 4 minus n squared, what is the first term and the sum of the first two term, what is the second term. Similarly, find the third and 10th term and the nth term also. So, the given Sn, so Sn equal to 4n minus square, they given as a Sn. Then you want to find S1. What do you mean S1? Wherever n is the substitute 1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square, then S1 become a 4 minus 1, S1 equal to 3. The value of S1 equal to 3, S1 means sum of the first term, one term alone. We take as a A, you can say as a A1 also. So A1, A or S1, everything same. Now you find S2, then 4 into 2 minus of n square, 2 square, then 8 minus 4 become a 4. So S2 equal to 4. That means A1 plus A2 equal to 4. Sum of the two term. S2 means sum of the two term. So A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term. Here S1 is the A1 first term. So A1 or A is the first term. Both are representing the first term. S1 sum of the one term. That means one term only is there. So instead of A1 substitute 3. Then A2 equal to 4. Then A2 equal to 4 minus 3. A2 equal to 1. Then A2 value is 1. Like that you can able to find. They asked to find. And they similarly third term and 10th term also. So how to find third term? S3. That means 4 into 3 minus of 3 square. So 4 3 is 12. Minus of 9, it became a 3. S3 is a 3. What do you mean S3? So S3 equal to 3. Instead of S3 we can write A1, A2 plus A3 equal to 3. So sum of 3 term equal to 3. You know the value of A1 is 3 and A2 is 1. Then A3 equal to 3. Then A3 equal to 3 minus 4. A3 equal to minus 1. So we have a APs like that 3 comma 1 comma. So A1 equal to 3, A2 is 1 and minus 1. With the help of that able to find the D value, T equal to A2 minus A1. So you can write 1 minus 3, it became a minus 2. So they asked to find 10th term also. So A10. So A10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So A value is 3. Here 9. D value is minus 2. So 3 minus 18 equal to minus 16. Then they asked to find AN also. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A value is 3. N minus 1 into minus 2. When you multiply 3 plus 3 into minus 3 into n, 3, n into minus it become a minus 2n, minus 1 it become a plus 2, then it become a 5 minus 2n, this is a an. So an equal to 5 minus 2n. So how to find the value with the help of when they given Sn equal to 4 minus n minus square. So when S1, that only you have to understand S1 means A term or A1, first term of the AP. When S2 comes, sum of two terms, A1, A2 equal to 4. So with the help of A1, able to find A2. Like that S3, sum of three terms, A1 plus A2 plus A3 equal to 3. So now you know the value of A1, A1 plus A2 plus A3 equal to 3. So sum of S3. So S3 means we can understand that sum of three term A1, A2, A3. So A1, A2, A3. Then equating to find the value of A3. So you know the three values, so AP. 3, 1, minus 1. Then with the help of that find the D value. They asked to find A10 also. Then they asked to find N term also. So when you come nth term, you keep as N as such. Then substitute D value and A value alone. That is a 5 minus 2N. If you want recheck and check, substitute instead of n equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 1 will come. So 5 minus 2, 3 will come. Able to get the value of S1 or A1 equal to 3. S1 or A1 equal to 3. So this is a way to find the value of required terms.